Earlier in the week, I saw a girl on TikTok recreate the KFC's Nashville hot chicken tenders. I decided to try the recipe and they were incredible. So, I'm going to share with you the recipe and show how you can also make them. Let me just say, you will never need to leave your house again for these tenders. You're going to start off by washing your tenders. Whenever you're cooking with chicken or just about any type of meat, you want to make sure your meat is fully washed and clean because you truly never know. And you're going to need about 4 to 5 chicken tenders. I got these chicken tenders from Vaughn's, and you can probably find them at about any local market near you. I started off by seasoning my chicken with 1 tablespoon of paprika and half a tablespoon of garlic powder and Cajun seasoning. Then I drizzle some olive oil on top to give the chicken some moisture, and all you gotta do is mix everything all up. For the flour mixture, combine 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, and half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. The amount of cayenne pepper you add really depends on your spice tolerance. Give all those yummy spices a nice mix. For the buttermilk mixture, combine together 1 cup of buttermilk and 1 egg. Then you're going to add in your favorite hot sauce. The hot sauce I'm using is very spicy, but you can use any hot sauce according to your different spice level. It's time to give your chicken a bath. You're going to start off by dipping your chicken in the buttermilk mixture, and after coat your chicken in the flour. Make sure to repeat this process twice so your chicken gets nice and crispy when frying it. After that, you're basically done. Just add some oil to a pan over medium-low heat and fry your chicken for a couple minutes on each side until they're nice golden brown and super crispy. Here is how they should look after, and we just have to make the sauce to go with them. To make the sauce, you're going to start off by grabbing half a cup of the oil you were previously frying the chicken in. Then season the oil with 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Give everything a good mix and make sure that all the spices are fully incorporated into the oil. Here is the final product. They are juicy, crispy, and delicious. Afterwards, I brush some of the sauce on the chicken, and then you can also dip your chicken in the sauce. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.